gosh, Sparky! Oh yeah, I was dared to talk like a rich person the whole day. Yeah. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to talk like it. And I was dared to. Get out of my room, Sparky. Yeah. I stink at this. Whatever, it's a dare. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. 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 Phone. Yeah, I just heard your older sister was coming, and she's not coming till a while. Well, that just stinks. Which older sister are you talking about? You have two? Oh, duh, who won it? I'm just kidding. I only have one. You mean Moonlight? Her name isn't Moonlight, remember? That's her nickname. How do you know? Because I'm friends with her. How would she be friends with you, you ugly Cocker Spaniel? Ow. Yeah, I'll bring you out to the movies and I'll show you. Movies? Oh, sorry. I went to the movies last night. Sorry. I didn't mean movies. I meant to go see a picture. Okay. Bye. Wait a second. I'm gonna call my mom. Wait, no. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? I'm gonna put it on speaker. Hello? Hello, this is your mom. I was just wondering if you'd, Mom, well, I just gotta tell you something. Remember what I said last time? Get a life. Please, get a life. Never call and stop calling and never call again after the beep. Beep! Gosh. When she's going with her enemy, why do you need your phone? Ring, ring, ring. Hello, this is your mother. What did I tell you? Never please, get a life. Stop calling and never call again after the beep. Beep! Don't you think that's a little rude? No. Come on, let's go. Okay. Put your phone in your pocket. No. When she's in the place, you can see her. Come on, let's go. Yeah, my stupid phone. Which one's her? Let's see. There's a ladybug, a penguin, a comb, a stupid doll or something. Sunglasses, a corgi, picture, that thing, a horse, chair, purse, mirror, a wolf, a pretty cat, that's your sister, and a tall camera. That's about everything. Wait, can we see it in 3D? No. The cat, the ladybug, the wolf, that. It looks like a real package. I think her. Well, but I think she might be coming with all of those guys. Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, anyways. Ow! I'm gonna call you. Wow, that fast. Hello? Yeah, hi, this is your friend. Please, please, get out of life, stop calling, and never call again after the beep. Beep! I'm going now.